Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. I'm Benjamin Davies and this is Maker's Journey Workshop. This is our little DIY makeshift budget anvil. We made a video on this. If you hadn't seen it, check it out. Today, instead of wasting your time with how to make a singular bottle opener, we're gonna show you how to make 3 in less than 10 minutes. Adjustable wrench. I think that's great to do. I want it super tight where it can't get off because that metal's going to expand. So thank y'all so much for following along with this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it brought you value. If it did, smash that subscribe button. It would mean the world to us. We're going to continue to do projects like this where we not only offer you one idea of how to make something, but we're going to try to bring it to you in 2s and 3s each and every time. We feel like that's the most value for your time. Not just show you how to do one, but let's show you how to do multiples. And then you can combine and make your own or replicate ours, and you're welcome to them. They're yours. Take them, have them. Go make as many as you can, sell as many as you can, and get your hustle started, whatever it is. If it's not blacksmithing that you're doing, I hope that you find inspiration from it, and I hope that you're able to go make whatever it is you want and see the fact that you can get started with just the most basic, crude pieces of equipment. This anvil's super soft. It is nothing fancy. Tell you what, I love what I do, and I look forward to coming to work every day. Making this little anvil when we had a bunch of other things going on in a week, and it was the last thing we needed to squeeze in, and then forging on that anvil all week was the most fun I've probably had in 5 or 6 years forging in the shop. And I have a lot of fun in here every day. Enjoy your struggles, enjoy your tough times, enjoy your late nights, because that's what pushes you forward and gets you better. Thank y'all for being here. We'll see you in the next video. Smash that subscribe button.